watching what my sisters and brothers have done with their children and seeing what they've achieved, and just showing that they have got a sense of adventure. To see that in another generation is just beautiful, and in some way thinking that I might have had a part in it, you know, is just makes my heart warm. I've got two real examples, and one is my nephew who's still in London, taking the opportunity to just become a writer. I mean, because it's not something from our communities that's something that you jump off and say, I'm going to do. And then one other nephew who's just moved to Melbourne, that he's just left so many things that are a constant and starting something new. And just the opportunity to be in a space to support him if and when he might need it, because I'm closer than the rest of the family. And my niece JD just coming to New Zealand and then Australia and just flourishing, watching a beautiful young lady turn into a magnificent woman is probably some of the things I'm most proud of. I think what I see in the younger generation and is the fact that we may, as older people, have taken a responsibility and carved a better path or broadened the path than our parents did for us. And I think our responsibility through each generation is to broaden that path and give more choices and support them. And that helps me feel proud, but I don't think I'm proud of myself personally. I do what I do to get by. I'm proud of the ones that take the opportunities that may have happened because I may have caused some change that I'm not aware of.